See, once I don't like you, I don't like you. Okay? I hate when a bitch thinks some time has gone by that my dislike has faded. No, bitch. I still don't like you. Stop playing, and you know that. I may not even care about the situation no more. I probably done forgot what happened. But what I didn't forget is that I don't like you. That's one thing I did remember. Like, I did have been in situations where I've been thinking, like, something about this bitch. And I'm like, oh, I don't like that bitch. My friends were like, why? I don't know why, but I know I don't like that bitch, okay? Don't come out here playing, okay, bitch? You know I don't like you. Don't come out here giving. Don't we know each other? Bitch, I don't like you. Stop playing.